Protein is important in our diet, and to make protein, you need nitrogen. Plants get nitrogen from fertilizer, and animals eat plants to get nitrogen and create their own proteins. But in this protein-producing process, most nitrogen is lost in the environment, causing damage. Plants only recover about 1/3 of the nitrogen added, and when looking at animal protein, only 2% of nitrogen inputs ends up in our food. So, to avoid nutrient pollution, we need other protein sources. Edible fungi, well known as mushrooms, are almost twice as efficient in converting nitrogen. Besides, they can be grown indoors, use less input, less land, and produce less greenhouse gases. But the problem with growing mushrooms is that after harvesting, a lot of inedible substrate is left. This consists of degraded plant parts intertwined with mushroom mycelium. So, why can't we eat it? Because there's still a high percentage of inedible woody parts called lignin present in there, and possibly some other things, like pesticides. And that's where our solution comes in. Our goal is to turn as much lignin as possible into edible mycelium, and in this way turn woody waste into a new type of food that is rich in protein and fibre. We will do this by using plant breeding technology to develop a perfect fungus that selectively attacks the inedible parts of plants, converting them into something we can eat, and by developing a clean, safe, and efficient setup where the environmental conditions are managed to favour the fungus and naturally suppress contaminators. The right dose of nutrients is strategically added at different time points, and we make sure no nitrogen or other compounds are lost to the environment. So, to summarise, we aim to convert inedible wood residue with the right fungus, under the right circumstances, into a protein and fibre-rich food while using minimal land and resources. Are you getting hungry yet?